Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video I'm going to show you how to set up a Sandeflex. And when I started carving, so about 10 months ago, last May, you couldn't get these in the UK, so that's what it is. And I don't know if you're in the UK, who you've been watching when you first start carving and that. Hopefully you're watching me, but I was watching Ryan Cook, Geordie Johnson, Chainsaw Chad, loads of people anyway who I watch, and most of them, Kyle Hall, most of them all use a Sandeflex. And then this is like a DIY one that I made that you can just put in your drill, and I made that out of like emery cloth belt sander replacement that you'd make yourself, sort of thing, and then just cut that up, and that's what you can do yourself, but it's not, obviously it's not going to be as good. So this is what it comes with, these. And when you first purchase it, obviously this comes set up for you, so when you put these in, you have to pull the individual pieces of sandpaper through and thread it all in there, but I'm not going to do that because mine's obviously only just been purchased, so it comes out, it comes, and you've got these 4 prongs slot into these 4 grooves that are in the sandpaper cardboard in the centre, and then you just pull these, make sure they've got tension on. Get the opposite one, give it a little tug like that, just to make sure they're ready to go. Just go around. Until they're all pulled tight, and they're going to be uneven on the first time anyway, when you first go. So now you get that, put it in there and give it a tap in. This is where it comes in handy if you've got a vice or somewhere you need a decent place, so you can give it a good and you'll feel when it's in fully, it'll be like that, and you'll feel that last little doink. So then all that's left to do is put that bolt on there, so then you can get in all the nooks and crannies on your carvings that you need to get in between. So yeah, you can get them in the UK now. I got it off Amazon, it was £135, so they are expensive, probably because they're coming all the way from Canada. But yeah, I haven't had a go of it yet. I'm sure you'll see it in our upcoming videos. You can get them in the UK. That's how easy it is to set up. And then just look for a drill extension, like one sec, I'll go and grab the one I've got on my nylon brush wheel. That's a smaller one. So you just put that in your impact driver, but you could use it in a normal drill as well. So and the company they are from is Merit RP Sandeflex Abrasive Wheel. Thank you for ordering on the Amazon Marketplace. Regarding any issues, customer service, triplenetpricing.com. And this is how easy these are to set up. So it's got the nylon brush wheel in there at the moment. They come and they've got two little bolts there that you tighten with an Allen key. And this one's quite a good one. This one's a Bosch one. Once you loosen these nuts, these bolts back a little bit, you then get the shaft of your Sandeflex that you put through, and tighten the nut on the other side of your Sandeflex. Tighten these down. So then mine's got the impact driver attachment on the end of it. And another thing is, got that off an old tool. I found this at the side of a road. Well, it's at my friend's, and it was on the car park by his house, so I just picked it up because I knew I'd wanted it. I had the little bolt in there that you put on the side of your drill or your grinder, whatever you use it for. So slot that in, so you're not going to get your knuckles bashed. Get your impact driver. See anything that won't with it? It's a bit of a there we go. Woo! It's making some wind. Yeah, man. It's even sounding that. So there you go, Sando Flex. It's got some weight to it, that has. But another thing is, like online, I've been struggling to find ones that haven't got the impactor attachment there, but you don't actually need an impact driver for the impact driver. For the ones that have got that attachment on it, you can still use a normal drill with the chuck on it. So don't be put off if you can only find ones that have got impact driver attachments on it, because you can just use it the same anyway. So yeah, UK people, we can get a Sando Flex. Whoop whoop. Hope you enjoyed the review and have fun using one. I'll show you how I get on with using it on the next video. Might make a bear just so I can use it on the fur. Oh yes. Thanks for watching.